Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to turn on notifications for message requests on Instagram Web using your PC, especially with the latest update where some settings have moved around a bit. If you've ever missed a message request because Instagram didn't notify you, this setting is what you need to fix that. Let's walk through it step by step so you don't miss anything important again. First, open your browser and go to the Instagram website. Make sure you're logged into your account, otherwise you won't be able to access the settings we need. Once you're on your Instagram homepage, look down at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, which is the menu icon. Click on that to open up more options. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where you can control different parts of your account. Inside Settings, find and click on Notifications. This section manages all the alerts you receive from Instagram, including messages, comments, and more. Now, within Notifications, click on Push Notifications. This is where you control what Instagram actively notifies you about in real time. Scroll until you find the section labeled Message Requests. Here you'll see options for how you want to handle these notifications. To make sure you get notified whenever someone sends you a message request, simply select On.